Good afternoon, everyone. Benjamin Litke, Coldwell Banker, Siesta Key. It's open house day. Today is Saturday, March the 3rd. I'll be here tomorrow again, both times 1 to 4. 451 Island Circle on Siesta Key. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, about 1,800 square feet. Single car garage. A very short walk to the amazing beach that we have here. Main living area with Mexican tile floor. So here's the living area. To the right, the front of the house, there is the 3rd bedroom. About 10 by 10, regular closet space. Laminate flooring. Its own bath, or the guest bath for the rest of the house. A little bit updated. Dual vanity. Shower, tub, tile floor. There's a toilet behind the door. Large, open gathering space, family space, the master bedroom. Again, laminate flooring. 3 different closet spaces right inside the French doors. Its own dual vanity ensuite bath. Stand-up shower. Small walk-in closet with some shelving. Again, Mexican tile floor. Private entrance. Sliders open up to the backyard. Utility closet. The air conditioning. A little bit of storage, good for cleaning supplies, brooms, vacuum, that kind of stuff. Modernized kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. The dishwasher has a panel on it, so it's hidden. Space for a microwave, little pantry space in there. And 3rd bedroom, be a good spot for guests or perhaps even to rent the room. Has its own private entrance, laminate floor again, and its own private bath with closet space inside. Vanity, stand-up shower. Again, its own private entrance. 1-car garage. This place is move-in ready. Again, it's listed at $599. Call me or text me if you're interested or want to come and see it. 941-993-5125.